Okay, a quick video here to help with class 10 and to help with the lab number 10. I will actually post this file so that you have it. Okay, so I start by, I ask for some input. I'm going to input 1, 2, 3, and 4 for X, and then I print those out. And you'll notice that I used 5.2F, 5.3F, so you can see the difference, G, E, and I, but I did a inverted /n, which will give it a line feed. So let's start by running this, and let's go ahead and put in 1, 2, 3, 4. And you come here, you can see it builds these across until it hits that last one with the line feed, and then they go down in the vertical direction. So that's kind of nice. In this next problem here, display, I use the display. I put in years, property. These have to have the same number of terms. And I go ahead and display that in a table type format. So let's go ahead and run that. And you can see there's my table type format. I could have also just gone with a table from my original X values by using the table command. I put them in the vertical by doing the transpose there. Okay. I'm going to add a Y term to this. So Y, I'm going to do 3:6. Got to have 4 terms. Okay. Come back, and you can see here's my Y, and you might notice that I named the variables. Okay. So it actually has variable names. Here I didn't name the variable, so it just gave a default variable there. Okay. Here's a example with the variables named a mixture of numeric and strings. And you can see how that worked. Okay. And then last I'm going to do a Z and do a larger table. Okay, which will be, let's do 10:13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 items. Okay. And you can see that's the table I made, first, last, new, P1, P2, P3, and you can see how I did this with the continuation marks here on the with the ... Let's save this real quick. Let's do a section break. Let's do save. We'll call it class 10.mat. Okay. Notice that I have a single quotation mark. That's going to save my workspace, okay, into my current folder, okay, when I execute this. So if I come over here, now I have a class 10.mat. Let's clear everything out of here. So everything's gone from the workspace. Let's come back to here and do a section break. And we're going to take that same command, and we're going to change save to load. So now it's going to load class 10.mat from my my current files folder. Okay, and if I come back here, you see all the numbers that I had created before are all back there. So that should help you a little bit. That should solve some of the problems that are in the current lab. I hope this helps.